Imagine telling someone they're fishing for compliments because they put the camera on their hand while holding their children's hand. Okay? If I was fishing for compliments, I would be showing up in designer every day. I would be showing my whole life. I only show what I want you guys to see. This channel is not even monetized. I vlog because I like doing it. And I vlog because I'm not gonna let people who don't like me or people who are obsessed with me or people who attack me spiritually stop me from doing what I love to do. Had I let them stop me, I wouldn't be where I am today. So why should I put what I love under the carpet and step back from it because they don't like it? No, I'm just gonna be more strategic while doing it. Let's get this laundry room together, guys. I don't do this because I have to. I do this because I want to. Believe me, God takes care of me in so many ways outside of YouTube. Let's believe it. If you haven't noticed by now, the more people try me, the more harder I go. And it's not revenge. What God told me to do is far more powerful than your critique. That's what it is. Fishing for attention.
Now she's doing too much.
Thanks for the motivation.